everyone, I'm Angie from POPxo.com. Do you have short hair just like me? Well, it doesn't mean you can't tie up your hair in cute ways. Today I'm gonna show you 3 pretty buns for short hair this summer. Like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.